Former St. George's College standout Alex Marshall will get his first start for the Reggae Boys when they take on Saudi Arabia on Saturday at 12:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Marshall made his debut on September 2 against Canada after taking the field as a second-half substitute. Dwayne Miller will start in Marshall, while Jamil Hardware will start behind the lone striker Romario Williams. The two teams have met on 3 previous occasions, with each team winning once, while the other ended in a draw. Former champions Tivoli High is the latest team into the second round of the Isaflo Manning Cup competition. They secured a 2-1 win over Haile Selassie on Friday to remain second in Group A on 21 points. David Rogers put Tivoli in the lead after converting from the penalty spot in minute 53. Tyreek Bloomfield equalized in the 80th minute for Haile Selassie, but that parity was short-lived as Akeem Bogle got the winner for Tivoli 3 minutes later. The match saw 3 dismissals, with Tivoli's Shakima Blake and Tyreek Fowler being sent off, as well as Haile Selassie's Narado Boris.
Well, the plan coming into this game was to convert our formation, because we knew that this team had played a drop ball over our back line. So we plan to use a sweeper. Every time we break down, we break our formation with a sweeper to protect our back line. It means that we advance to the next round, plus we are still unbeaten.
While in Group E, the high-riding Kingston College had their 100% win record halted when they played out a 0-0 draw with Excelsior. Despite the result, KC remain leaders of the group on 25 points ahead of Excelsior in second on 20.
We kind of shuffled the deck a little bit as you realize 3 of the players that would have scored in the previous game were not on the park. You know, we saw the opportunity to give others a chance to really make their mark, and that for me was also significant.
Pleased with the performance and the energy that our team gave, and you know, sadly we are not on the winning end, but you know, we didn't lose. We take our point and move on.